morning all of you. So today I will discuss LC oscillation, that is last subtopic of this EMI. Okay. So right, what is LC oscillation? See, in case of LC oscillation, that L denotes inductor and that C denotes capacitor. Right? Suppose I am telling I have a RC circuit. What is the meaning of RC circuit? Resistor and capacitor. But here I am telling about LC oscillation, which means inductor and capacitor. Okay. So see, in case of LC oscillation, first I will take one charged capacitor, full charged capacitor. Okay. See, take a fully charged capacitor and connect with inductor. Okay, we will take a full charged capacitor and connect with inductor. Okay, that is one capacitor. All of you tell what is the charge on this capacitor? Full charged, 100% charged initially. Okay, that is a T equals to 0. Got? See, what is charge here? Q maximum, and Q maximum that is equals to Q naught. Right? You tell. Here suppose we have one battery, no? Battery. Where is a higher terminal? Tell. Left side or right side? Left side. And where is lower terminal? Right side. Okay? Right side, no? So here I am telling where is higher terminal? Nothing given. So as you wish, anywhere you can assume higher and lower. Tell where you want to assume higher. This side higher. So automatically this side will be lower. You tell in this circuit now no battery present. No battery present. Still, suppose I have here electric field present. You know, plus to minus electric field will be present now. In capacitor electric field present. Right? What will happen? T equal to 0. T equal to 0. Capacitor behaves like a open wire or short circuit. Open wire or short circuit. Short circuit. Capacitor, not inductor. So capacitor behaves like a short circuit. Okay, but inductor behaves like a open circuit. Correct? What is meaning of short circuit? Current will flow, and open circuit means current will not flow. See, T equal to 0 here. Current will flow, but this will oppose. Why? See, initially current will be 0. Why current will be 0? Initially this will behaves like a open circuit. So circuit is not complete now. This behaves like a open circuit because due to Lentz's law. What is Lentz's law? Suppose your current is right side. So according to Lentz's law, induced current opposite. So initially no current will pass through this inductor. Okay, but after some time here that current will increase now. Okay, initially what is current value? 0. And suppose time t equals to t1. In this case, you know total energy will conserve. Here how many system we have? 2. That is first and that is second. Means capacitor and inductor. Initially t equal to 0, all charge will be present at here. That is capacitor. All charge present here. Capacitor. What is charge value? Q naught. You know one thing that C. What is full energy of capacitor? Tell formula of energy of capacitor. E equals to half C V square. Right here. Otherwise, in terms of charge, tell me that will be Q square upon 2C. Got my point? And that Q I have told that is Q maximum at t equals 0, At t equal to 0, what is energy? Half CV square. And I have written here Q square by 2C also. And what is our charge value? Q naught. That is Q maximum upon 2C. That will be Q naught upon 2C. That is total energy in case of t equal to 0. Right here? Initially, which has more energy, is maximum energy? Capacitor. What is energy here? 0 initially. Now current will flow. Initially, what is current value? 0. Now current will increasing in nature. After some time, suppose current here, that is what is charge value? Q naught. You told here plus charge. You have told. So here tell me plus Q naught. Here minus Q naught. Got my point? Okay, that is a minus Q naught. And here plus Q naught. Got my point? And you tell here current will flow left direction or right direction? Left. Because positive na here. So initially no current. After some time, suppose current is flowing. You know this current is increasing in nature or decreasing in nature? Increasing. Because t equal to 0, 0 current. After that current will flow now. 1 ampere, 2 ampere, 3 ampere. Na? So here you tell here energy will decrease or increase? Decrease. Because some energy is flowing, some charge is flowing toward inductor. Right? This current is increasing in nature. Correct? You tell here. So that is a plus Q naught, that is minus Q naught. So after a time at t equals to t2, what will happen? Here suppose current is increasing. Okay? Suppose let us assume 1 ampere. 1 ampere. Na? After time suppose t2, now what is current value? More than 1 or less than 1? More than 1. Assume I am telling that is also current increasing in nature. Let us assume this current will become 2 ampere. That is example. Okay, now here you tell one thing. Here what is Q naught value initially now? What is Q naught? Maximum energy. Q naught is maximum energy. Now after some time energy will flow toward inductor. So here energy will become more than or less than energy? Less. You tell that is a minus, means just random. Q is random energy, random charge. And here minus Q. Once I am telling here what is energy? Q naught. That is maximum. Okay. Now after time t equal to 0, suppose time t equals t1, your energy will decrease or increase here? Decrease. That is Q, random Q. Okay. Random Q. Decreasing in nature. So can I write if I is increasing in nature, so Q will be decreasing. Okay. Here see, you tell here also Q, here minus Q. But this Q is more or this Q is more? This Q or this Q is more? This Q is more. Actually continuously current charge will be decreasing now. Then current will be increasing. Okay. So directly I am writing at t equals to infinite. That is called steady state. Okay, that is called steady state. You know at t equals to infinite, what is the behavior of capacitor? See here, I have told capacitor behaves like a short circuit initially. So t equals to infinite, open circuit. Infinite, open circuit. And what about inductor? Inductor behaves like a short circuit. Means just one wire. So t equal to that infinite here. See, that is inductor. You know that current is increasing in nature, no? Increasing. Okay. So if current will flow after infinite times, all energy will store in inductor. So what is energy here? Zero. Okay. Got? When at t equals to infinite. So here what is energy? Zero. Here 0, here also 0. Right? You know this concept. Suppose here energy, suppose Q1, here minus Q1. Here suppose Q2, here minus Q2. Here suppose 0, here minus 0. Right? So after t equals to infinite, steady state, all energy will here store. Okay? In inductor. So I am telling, initially you have a given energy in capacitor. What is energy value? Q naught by 2C. Q naught square by 2C, no? Q naught square by 2C. That is maximum energy. Now after t goes to infinite, all energy will present in inductor. Right? So that energy I am writing you tell in case of inductor what is energy value? Half L I square. Okay, I have told half L I square. Till after t equals to infinite, what is current here? Maximum current. Infinite. Of that I will use one I naught. That I naught is I maximum. Right? When t equals to infinite, current will flow maximum. Na? Initially current is less 0. Okay? Current is 0.